Did something happen? Did something happen? What? Did something happen? Is something going on? Did UPS man come? What do you think? Did UPS man come? Did UPS man come? Did he come? Are you excited? This is the day that we've all been waiting for. Well, maybe not all, but me. And we're gonna unbox the YouTube Silver Play Award. And I don't think, you know, you see a lot of these videos where people take a long time to open this thing up. And we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna get right to it. Of course, we all know about that little letter they send you. Anyway, let's see if I can get it out of here. This is it. And there it is. The Life and Sad Ending. Well, they made with that white printing, it's sort of hard to read. But that being said, I'm very excited about this. I appreciate all the people that are watching and all the people who have subscribed and liked. And, you know, this maybe isn't that big a deal to some people, but it's a pretty big deal to me. And like I say, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And there it is, the Silver Play Button Award from YouTube. Thank you.